Somebody call the police?
Yeah, this person right here, they won't leave.
Okay. What's going on?
What's going on?
You tell me you called the police?
Still on the phone with him. He's been here.
Well, we're here now. You can get off the phone. That's dispatch.
I came over here to get away from my son.
Okay.
And like everything in his apartment is mine. Like that. We got into an argument. Then he got all different. And I'm like, no, I'm gonna call the police. Like, bro.
Okay, well, this is his apartment, right?
Yes, sir.
He wants you to leave.
Yep.
Which means you need to leave.
Okay.
I don't understand. I'm generally confused on why you called.
Look, call the dispatch. He was on the phone the whole time. He heard him. He didn't tell me to leave.
Okay. All right. Here's the deal.
I called the police on you because you were threatening.
But it's his apartment.
Okay, I got a whole house. I just
Then go to your house. I'm so confused.
Me too, because
You
you
know
came
what?
here to visit me and then...
No. Seriously,
I'm gonna call your
you're calling who?
boss.
They're not there. It's me and this officer. The only officers are on right now.
I'm calling my dad, who's the chief of
Okay.
police.
Because he doesn't want you here. It's his
Okay,
apartment.
wait,
So then
he
go.
never said this till now.
Okay. He's telling
Okay,
you
you know
now.
what? Take me to jail. Lie again, Wayne.
Who's lying, dude? No, you asked me
I
this.
swear to God.
You called
Lie again, Wayne.
You called
Okay,
it.
let's go. Come on, you don't need to be here. Let's go.
Let's
Do
go.
you want to take me home?
No, I'm not gonna take you home.
Okay.
Where do you live at?
No, I know.
Where do you live at? You don't. If this is his residence and you don't live here, you gotta go.
You called them. Oh, my statue is
Alright, it's
mine.
cool. Don't worry about it.
Okay,
Because
let's
you
go
just
then.
said, but that ain't what you brought all this to my house already, and you just got it.
Brought what? Lie again, Wayne.
Okay, here's the deal. He doesn't want you here. It's pretty
Nah,
simple.
it's cool.
All right, if it's cool, then let's go.
Not if I get my ride.
No, listen. You know we're not a taxi service.
I didn't say you.
You don't.
Go ahead.
Hang on.
I swear to God.
Hey, enough. I will remove you from this apartment if you don't leave.
So check this out. I was about to
You
tell
know what?
sir,
You gonna pull it?
I was about to say, I told
Come
him
on,
you
Pat.
can wait on the ride, you ain't got to do all that, but don't come here and accuse me of stealing shit, it's mine. And that's what this is all about.
What's yours?
Shh. Why you gotta yell? We're all right here.
You've been living with me how many years?
It doesn't matter. It has
You know
nothing
what?
to do with this. Yourself, you called me.
I didn't
Let's
call
go.
you.
Come on. Let's go.
Yeah, you did.
Wayne,
Come on.
Okay.
Let's go.
put their hands on me, bro.
You're about to get hands put on you.
About to get handcuffed.
I'm telling you to leave. He's told you to leave.
Why are you acting
Are you?
Why are you acting
Wayne, do me a favor. Wayne, do me a
Stand the other row for a
favor.
second.
Wayne, do me a favor. Come on, let's step over here, okay?
Over
We'll
there,
get her to leave, okay?
I'm not doing anything.
No.
No, you're not.
Okay, but we just want you to step
Oh,
over, okay?
they're about to snatch me.
Why
You
you
really finna do it to me?
Wait,
you
come on.
doing it?
Yep, you right. Sure am.
You want her to leave, right?
Plain, she doesn't have to, but she keep acting like this, yeah.
Okay, yes or no? Do you want her to leave right
You act
now?
like you got some sense and call your ride and go, because if they leave and then you get to talking crazy again and then want to call them back, we ain't gonna do that.
Wayne, this is your house. Do you want her to stay, yes or no? Okay, because if we have to come back, then
I know.
If we come back, she's going to jail.
Nigga, you
I don't want her to go to jail.
I know you don't.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nor do I.
Avoid all that, okay? That's why.
now.
this is your house. So ultimately, you
I'm
have the say so.
you.
Even though she
Oh,
called
yeah.
us,
I
okay?
got 2 police about to snatch me up. Call my
You tell us. Do you want her to leave? We'll have her leave.
now.
Okay?
Mom.
She can walk. She don't need to wait for a ride.
No, she doesn't have to wait for a ride. Absolutely not. She's able to come here by herself out of her own power.
Nina.
Because you came over here calling police over a statue. That's my
No, everything you stole out my house.
Where?
Mom,
not engaged.
can you do me?
Okay.
Look, I need you to do this.
Okay.
Call Dad now.
Wayne, do you want her here? Yes or no? I just
Go
need,
ahead.
I need a yes or no answer.
You doing it?
Swear to God,
You
I'm
want that
telling
crazy.
you.
Nobody said you're arrested.
You know what?
It's
What's your name? I don't know. You know what? My
can't even talk to me.
sweater.
no, you can't. So, do you want her here? Yes or no?
I can't.
You gonna be quiet?
I just got dropped
Good
off.
luck with that.
Hello?
Let me go.
Are you gonna chill? Because it ain't on me. You brought them here for you.
Oh my soul, Mom. Call him. What the? Okay, let him talk to them now.
I don't want her to go to jail. She don't, it ain't worth going to jail.
No. We're not
What's
saying go
your
to
name?
jail.
I'm
Leave.
saying go to jail.
No, what's your
Do
name?
you want her here or not? Yes or no? Do you want me? I'm not saying she's going to
I
jail.
know.
I'm saying I can make her leave your house because we got called here.
I know.
So you gotta tell me what you
Man,
want.
I called you.
Do you want to
Wait.
Are you going home?
Like I got
Are
text
you
messages,
going
calls,
home?
everything, Mom.
She can't help you.
I came here. Oh no, my dad's.
She can't help you. You did this. You caused this.
You know what? I'll go to jail. Tell dad to talk to his mom.
Right.
How the f am I gonna get there? You know what he said? I'm not a taxi service. I just had JJ drop me off here.
Call him
I
back.
called him to come pick me up because Matthew.
Here, you can go wait at the station. You got a phone, you can call him there.
You know what, Mom? I swear to God, I'm gonna smack the dog shit out this.
That's gonna go well for you.
You made it nothing good at all.
That'll go really well for you.
Get my dad on the phone now.
Threaten me one more time? It's not gonna matter who's on the phone if it's the president.
You? I don't threaten, I promise.
Why don't you call your son while you're on the phone?
Okay, Wayne.
You're not gonna call your
Wayne,
son?
one more.
Let's talk to your boss.
Wayne, one more time.
Do you want her to leave, yes or no?
Go ahead, pull it.
Even if I did, I wouldn't give a fuck about you no more
I
after this
don't
because you just pulled all this stupid shit.
Okay.
So you gonna shut the up and get you a ride home, or you gonna have a problem?
Bruh.
Yeah, go on. Don't get out of my house.
Okay, you want
Let's
to
go.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
Really?
You think you came here talking crazy to me?
Let's go.
What you gonna do? Stop being a dumbass.
Okay, let's
They
go.
asked you to leave.
I'm not going to tell you again. You're
Why
leaving
you
the
always
house.
like a
We have to
child?
take you out because I'm going to give you a ticket for trespassing.
Look at me.
If you refuse,
I
I will then
asked you-
arrest you. No, stop.
I asked
Let's
you
go.
a question.
We got to go to the car. Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Stand
We're
up.
going to the car.
Stand up.
Don't be no dumb.
Stop.
So stop it.
Stop.
I asked you to
He
stop.
told you to leave. We told you to leave. You're going to get a ticket for trespassing. If you stay, then you will go to jail. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Hey, y'all. Hey,
Stop. Chill.
You ain't gotta go nowhere, man. I already told you.
It's
no.
too late.
You don't want to listen to none of that say. You think everything is a joke.
Lost her hand.
Stop.
I got it. Let's
Enough.
Stop.
Don't
Go.
stop.
You did this. And you think it's gonna be my fault again. No, we're not going through that again.
Stand up. Stand
I
up.
can't.
Then we're helping you. Let's go.
I'm
You're going
sorry.
to get a ticket outside.
Are you serious? Give me
All I
my
had to do was choose.
We've got your phone. We've got your phone.
I do.
Hang on.
No.
Wait. I got it.
Wait.
Okay.
Stop.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Get up.
Can't.
Now, the work you do.
I can't.
Stand up.
I don't even have my.
We'll get your shoes. Let's go. Go.
Hell no.
Mine.
Wait.
Yep.
Oh, I swear to God, y'all are. No, you don't understand. Call my fucking dad. I swear to God. Why do you?
Thank you, Wayne.
Are you? You know what? You said that. I'm gonna kill you.
Hang on. We got to double lock the cuffs. Relax, Heather.
No,
Relax.
you're not.
Heather. Relax. Yes.
Relax. Relax. Come on.
Enough.
Relax.
Stop it.
Let me go.
I will as soon as we double lock the cuffs so they don't end up hurting you.
No, you ain't gonna hurt me. You scared me. Look, just
Terrified.
put me in.
Got
You
it.
know
Done.
what?
Have a seat.
Don't do that. Don't do that. No. Don't do that.
Oh my
No.
God.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat. Get in there.
No,
You just need me in the balls. Get in.
no, I can't.
Get in.
No.
Get in.
That's all right. Wait till we get to the section. Oh, that's my phone. Snatch me up. No shoes, no nothing. Get me out this car.
You will.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. What?
Get me the out this car.
Okay.
Or take me downtown.
Downtown
Either
where?
way.
Where do you want to go downtown?
Let's go
right.
now.
We will.
I give a
All right.
yeah, make sure your body can.
Come on out.
Shoes.
Okay. Come on out.
No.
Come on out.
Okay.
You gonna be that disrespectful?
Yeah, we are. When you just need me in the
You know
balls,
what?
we're not leaning down by your.
No, you didn't. You ain't even have your body camera.
Come on.
Call my
I did have my
mo-
body cams on.
You know.
Let's go.
Call your
let's go.
chief. Call the chief of police, please.
Get out.
You're under arrest. You're going in the station.
Come on.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, don't.
Don't tell me what to do.
That's all right. I can show y'all proof. Everything. What? All you got to do is look my text messages on my phone. He called me over there.
That's fine. He can change his
No,
mind.
look. Call my dad.
Let me take those cuffs off, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna move the cuffs so it's more comfortable for you.
Come on.
Okay?
Let me take those cuffs off, all right? Come on. Come on. Well, let me take the cuffs off then. The less bullshit. Let me take the cuffs off.
I want to talk to my dad.
Okay, let me take the cuffs off so you can be more comfortable, okay? Let's work with
Y'all were so scared a minute ago. Why you
Scared
want
about
to take
what?
the cuffs off? I don't know. I beat you in the balls. If I beat you, ain't got no dick. If you felt that.
Okay, turn around. Relax, relax.
I can't even fight you.
Okay, just relax, okay? Let me take this thing off, all right? Relax. Are you gonna relax, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay,
Oh my God.
relax. Hold on.
I'm not, look, can you take this off? Can you look at me?
I'm looking at you.
I'm not gonna fight you.
All right.
Please take this off.
Are you gonna calm down then?
Yes. I won't talk to you.
No, he's gonna be out here.
Relax. Just relax. I'll be with you in just a second, okay?
Nobody else do this.
Come on back. Come up.
Look, I'm literally,
You're literally
Come on,
handcuffed.
Come on, Heather. Come on.
Come on, let's go.
Come on. We'll make this go a lot faster if you just comply, okay?
I was compliant.
Okay, all right. Just
Y'all walk away.
have a
Look,
seat. Have a seat.
if
Have a
this
seat.
mother puts his hands on me again, I'm not mad at you.
Okay.
Tell him to let me go and I'll deal with you.
Talk to me then, right
So,
now. Just have a seat. Heather, have a seat. Just have a seat.
No.
Heather,
You're
please have a seat.
fighting with the police.
Please have a
We're
seat.
not going to give
I
you
will
some
talk.
time.
Just have a seat,
Can
okay?
you literally tell him to get his
I
hands
will
off
talk to you
me?
as soon as
No.
your handcuffs on.
Get
Yeah,
out of
relax, relax, relax.
Get him the fuck out my
Okay,
face.
all right, all right, all right.
All I want is my fucking socks and shoes.
I'll get that for you.
You can cuff me, take me, I don't give two flying fucks.
Okay, Heather, do me a
Can
favor.
I make a phone call?
You will, absolutely.
No.
No, you will.
I'm telling you.
You will, but first, listen to me. Work with me on this, okay? Work with me on this, all right? Work with me on this. Let me get some information.
I don't give a.
Okay, listen.
I left my house so my 18-year-old son would beat my ass again. I'm done. Call Joaquin over and over and over. Call my dad, call my mom, everything. So I left and I went over there and he pulled this bullshit. And I called John. I'm going to jail.
That Wayne doesn't want you there, okay? We
And
asked
then
him.
he's like, no, it's cool, bro.
Well, he told us he wanted you to go. At first he said no, but then he said now. All you had to do was just walk outside. That was it, and be done with it. And now
Okay, so give me my charges and my board
Okay.
county for what?
you're gonna get a ticket, yes.
I don't give it.
Okay.
I think I honestly care.
Well, I'm telling you what's happening here. Okay, all right.
What does Dad always say, Heather? Shut the fuck up. You a liar.
You will get a phone call.
Now!
I'm bringing your phone. You've been asking for your phone call. I'm bringing it to you.
The phone's dead. You seen that?
No, I didn't. I saw you put it on the charger. You were literally on the phone.
Bro,
We'll charge you. I'll charge you for
Can
you.
you do
We'll
me a
charge you.
favor? I will deal with you.
That's fine.
Get
I'm
that
going.
motherfucker out my-
I'm going.
Hi, Heather. How you doing? You okay?
Yeah, I'm waiting for a ride.
Okay. Who's coming to get you? I'm just checking on you. That's all. You said in our room that you got into an argument with your son. Is everything gonna be okay?
I don't know. That's why I went over there. But y'all just charged this.
Okay.
I don't know. Like, why do you even talk to me?
I just want to make sure you're gonna
I'm
be home.
taking it. You can't help me out, right?
I'm just
You can't
checking
give
on
me a
you.
ride. You can't get around that.
I'm just checking on you. Okay. So you got someone coming to get you?
No, I have no ride.
Okay, Heather.
Because my 18-year-old son literally has put his hands on me and beat me up quite a few times.
Well, did you call Waukegan police for that?
Which time?
Did you say
Many.
today?
Yes. I don't have an.
Okay,
I don't
all right.
know.
Yeah, I don't know anything about that either. Like I said, you're welcome to sit in our lobby here, okay, and wait for a taxi.
No, this is embarrassing. Like, it really is. I'm an asshole. I got a smart mom. My mom always says, shut the fuck up. I wasn't lying when I felt I couldn't get up.
Okay.
Like,
I did
y'all
not. I
thought I
don't know.
was,
Listen.
you literally thought I was.
No. I don't know what condition that is. I'm not a doctor.
I didn't fucking even know what it was. We didn't know.
Okay. All right.